Today I will be showing you the proper washing of clothes step by step. The first step is inspection. Since there is no pockets, I will not be inspecting that much, and there is no rips in my clothes. Now I will be sorting it because there are the white clothes and then the colored clothes. And now I have separated my clothes. The next thing I will be doing is soaking. And now I am inspecting more if there's rips or stains before my hooking of water. Now I will be pouring the water from the tap because I will be soaking it so it can be more cleaner. Since I am soaking it, I will be squeezing it so in case of excess water. Next thing I will be doing is soaping so he can be clean. Now I will be pouring my soap into the water, and now I will be mixing it thoroughly into the water so it will make bubbles. Now I will be putting my chosen piece of cloth hot into the soapy water, soaking it in soap, and then I will be washing it. And now I am putting more soap, hope in case he's of other dirty things in my clothing. And then I will rinse it with water a bit after a bit, so there's no excess soap left on the clothing. This is the sixth step, rinsing. This is my first rinse. As you can see, I'm pouring water in to get rid of the soap on the clothing. This is my second rinse. As you can see, there's not that much soap in it anymore. This is my third rinse. As you can see, there's at least no more soap. This is my third rinse. As you can see, there's no more soap in the water. That means my clothing is now clean. Now I will be drying it. As you can see, I'm putting the wet clothes onto the hanger. One after another. This is now my second piece of clothing. Now I am putting it into the hanger like I did with the first one. And then I will hang it into the hanger up there. Now I am finished